What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
It's Stackman once again. Today, let me show you how you can remove the Add to Cart button in Shopify. While we are in a dashboard, click the Online Store tab on the left side of your screen, below the point of sale in the Sales Channel section. While we are in the Theme section of the online store, click the three dots beside the Custom button. After clicking the three dots, click Edit Code. Since we are editing code, let's open a new tab and copy the link that I'm going to show you in the video. While we are at the link that I shared, let's copy the code to remove it from the cart. Then let's go back to the Edit tab in Shopify after you copy the code. And then find the Assets folder on the left side of your screen. While we are in the Assets folder, click base.css. While we are in the base.css tab, scroll down to the bottom. If you reach the bottom, that's where we paste the code. After you paste the codes, click Save on the upper right of your screen to save the code. And that's it. That's how to remove the Add to Cart button in Shopify.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.